Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of 𝗕𝗃 Infosystems LLP. And we are back with a new Odoo add-on that we have developed to make your businesses much more easy. This new add-on is called POS Payment Installments, and it enables the creation of installments or down payments for an order, as well as it has the ability to make payments for those installments and down payments directly from your POS screen. Using this module, users can effortlessly add products, choose installment plans, include or exclude the down payments, and automatically generate quotations without having to close the POS session. Doesn't that sound a lot of time saved? You can do all of it in just few clicks, and you do not have to close your POS sessions and then restart them from scratch. So let me show you how you can use this Odoo add-on after installing it in your Odoo database. First, we'll go to Point of Sale module, we'll go to Configuration, Payment Methods, and we'll create a new payment method called Payment Installments. Now make sure you check Mark as Payment Installment box over here. Then we'll again go to POS and we'll go to the shop settings, and in here under the tab Payments, I'll make sure that I've added the payment installment method. I'll slightly scroll down below, and under the Sales tab, I'll make sure that Down Payment POS has been selected as the down payment product and Installment has been selected as the payment installment product. After doing that, I'll just go and save all of it. Now I'll go to my Sales module and I'll go to my Sales settings. And under the tab Installment on Sales, I'll make sure that I've checked this box which allows to receive payments in installments. Now I'll show you how it is going to work in your POS session. So we'll go back to our POS, we'll start a new session. I'll add the product and I'll click on Payment. Now in here you can select Payment Installments and you can choose up from the given installment plans. You can add or delete a certain advanced down payment. Right now I'm adding one. And I'll confirm this. Now I'll add the customer and I'll validate this. Once validated, I'll click on quotation order over here, and I can see that I get the chance to pay for the advance payments or the installments right from the POS screen. So I'll pay my advance first. Now if I go, I can see that one of the payments have been changed from draft to paid. Similarly, I can pay for the warranty as well. Now if I'll go and check again, I have paid the advance payments that was set in my payment installment plan. So it is that easy. I did not have to close my POS session in order for my customer to pay for their installments. I just had to make a few clicks and it was all done in my POS screen. This provides your customers with the ease of choosing a payment method that they find comfortable, which is obviously going to increase your sales. So this add-on is a time saving and super beneficial for your business. So to get this add-on, you can either go to the Odoo App Store directly, or you can visit the App Store on our website to get the module. And if you need any assistance, support regarding your Odoo database or your modules, you can reach out to us via our social media channels. Thank you.